Hi, Wonk. Good morning. Hello, Bridgewater. Hey, Red Knife. Good morning. So much more reliable than Twitch ones. I don't know what's up with the Discord alerts. Sometimes I get the Discord alerts like literally after the stream on my phone, which is kind of awkward. Oh, yes, yes. Good morning, everyone. Hey, Kois. Yo, thanks for the 35 stream streak, yo. That's huge. You guys are on the ball with all the streaks. Like, holy smokes. Today I'm going to be writing code, so I'm glad you're here to co-work with me. On the other hand, if you just want to play WoW, I'll say hell with it and just play a video game too. Oh, well, I don't know if my ego can take the hit to, the hit around viewership with the gaming. Although, I was pretty tempted. Definitely was a little tempted to play some World of Warcraft. While I was having my coffee this morning, I created a hardcore Minecraft game. So I was playing some hardcore Minecraft. God. Maybe the issue is that the WoW audience is completely separate from the closure community. Yeah, I would say like my audience is definitely there's only so much overlap. I think there are people that are going to watch no matter what I do cuz they just want to hear from me, and that's cool. There's people in the community that do like World of Warcraft. We have a channel in the Discord called WoW Enjoyers. Um Hi Bobby. When this ad break starts, I'm gonna get up and go microwave an egg for breakfast. You're streaking. Oh my gosh. 15 stream streak though. That's pretty huge. I've noticed that all the like regular people have like big streaks, which is low key great for ad revenue. I think I need a new microphone koozie. It's starting to smell. Ugh. Smells like bad breath. Morning, Dulce. Yeah, curl egg in microwave. Look, it's the fastest way I can get some like protein into me in the morning, basically. Hello, Kara Tabik. Tybik. Today, wish you luck. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna do some microJAM stuff. I don't know how long I'll stream today because I'd really like to hit the gym today and also have a shower. So we'll see. I recently made a multiplayer 4 times strategy. That's pretty cool. Find some streamers stream at similar times. It makes it easier to tune in while others are easier to miss. Okay, I'm gonna go make an egg. I'll be right back. Oh, bruh. Good morning. Oh, thanks, T-Hawk. What's up? I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. Share stream. Please support Cardo. What's your opinion about the way people enjoy programming at 1 a.m.? Programming through the night used to be like the best thing ever. I used to love doing that. But now I need to sleep because I'm like in my 30s. Okay, so my egg is done. I will be back in like 2 minutes. Anybody else have any burning questions? That feeling when you realize you've messed up the convention for large hexadecimal numbers, or 2 out of past 3 commits. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, Soma. Hi, Tanarax. Everybody's so nice this morning. Unlike that Instagram where everybody's so mean. Hmm. Thanks, X-Pair. My hair looks so good when I don't shower. I haven't washed my hair in like a while. The less I wash it, the more blonde it looks. Do I know anything about domain-driven design? Not really. I know a little bit about it because it's like because of like event. I think they do event sourcing. Yeah. Um, I need to get bread. That's why I'm just eating the eggs like this. Oh, okay. I need to take my medication, and you guys need to come up with questions. My hair looks best when I don't wash it for a while and then wash it thoroughly. See, before I dyed my hair, before I got blonde highlights, I always felt like my hair looked like shit when I was like dirty. Now it looks awesome. Hi, B. I've read 2.5 books about it, and I tried using it in my own project. I love it. Well, that's kind of cool. No page, no update on the Wikipedia page for hair cloning. Is that different than hair transplants? Hair cloning would be for hair transplants without sufficient donor material. Someone with a quarter century of or more of early onset male pattern baldness. Oh. Oh yeah. Frig. That's rough. Saw a YouTube video where some scientist Michael Levin explained how we could use regeneration like planaria regrows its lost head or tail to regrow hair. Sounds scary. Like you could create super cancer if you get it wrong. I don't know about enough about cellular biology, so okay, I'm gonna go take my inhaler. Perhaps we should think of questions to do with software development. Ah, big dentist. I need to go to the dentist actually. I haven't been in a while. Well, nobody has any burning questions. Still have a few minutes. Yo, Johnson Ascot, what's up? Big swinging Johnson, how are you? I feel like I need to get a little bit of like Botox just to like lift this eyebrow up a little bit, like ever so slightly. I'm amazing. How are you? Wow. I don't think anybody's ever come in here and said they're amazing. Yeah, I'm pretty good. TBH. Um, things are good, I guess. Recent changes happening at Golang? What's going on at Golang? They pulling a Ziglang thing? Into a Rust Mini? How so? It's a new day full of possibilities. Yo, maybe we should make some sort of thing that has the word agentic in it, and then we can make like 100K a month. Right, react to Prime's reactive Go? No, I don't really want to. They've added generics to methods. Some people are upset about it. Didn't they add generics a long time ago, though? Hey, Cellware on YouTube. Step 1, make 100K a month. Step 2, lift eyebrow 1/4 inch with Botox. Yeah, that's one way to do it, Brian. I mean, probably don't need to make 100K a month to do Botox. It doesn't cost very much, honestly. Standard functions, not to methods. Oh, I see. Interesting. So wait, does that mean they still do the thing at compile time? Because I remember the last time I messed around with Go generics, they would like, if you had a generic, it would basically the compiler would emit a function for each static type at compile time. The option is there, why not? Yeah, indie hackers are so cooked now, man. They seem to just be like, it's like agentic this, check out this agentic thing, and then they post like a hockey stick graph of revenue. Like, bruh, nobody in the history of SaaS has ever had a hockey stick graph like that. You are fucking full of shit. What mechanics am I working on today? Probably the only mechanic. Shine. Like it's really easy to post a screenshot of your Stripe dashboard without leaking information. But no, they use one of those image services. So, oh, proof. No. Wait a second. If there's opportunity in selling to agents, does this mean agents are just spending company money without agents really knowing? Or without like the company really knowing that the agent is spending buying like subscriptions and stuff? Are agents just a way to like bleed money from companies like really fast? Is that what's happening right now? We're seeing like bills for like $1 bajillion for AI, agentic AI stuff. And now indie hackers have figured out that they should be selling to agents. I've managed to do both, use AI in the game and make no money. Companies didn't notice that we are no longer subsidized tokens and they are expensive now. Uh, they probably did know. It's just really fucking opaque, right? It's really opaque because you're not watching Claude code just like generate tokens. It's kind of like the value proposition of agents is that you don't watch them, right? You don't supervise them, really. But then it's like, oh, it's kind of like a bait and switch. It's like tokens are cheap. Now you have this thing you don't have to watch. Okay, tokens are expensive. Revenue go burr, right? Leaderboards for token usage. Yeah. Yeah, but that's like stupid, right? Like that's just like stupid like gamification of trying to one destroy developer skill set and two like just like jump on this bandwagon probably. Daniel Stewart on YouTube. What are we talking about? Uh, well, right now we seem to be talking about agents burning cash. Hello, Alexander. What's up? on YouTube. Got a lot of YouTube folks. I kind of yeah, just like it kind of like shows how many like companies are actually just asleep at the wheel, really. AI is someone's personal possession shared with the world? Not really. It's a stochastic parrot. All right, what I was saying is that like agents are like agents are opaque, right? It just runs and it just burns tokens. Have you guys like had a conversation with Claude lately or ChatGPT or any of the cutting edge models? Again, they're not smart. They're not getting smarter. They're just getting more verbose. And imagine this verbosity is being prompted over and over again by agents. Like I can actually see why companies are burning millions of dollars on tokens. Like it actually seems like no brainer to me. Like they just keep making them more verbose. I don't think they're any smarter. Like it's just verbosity. And that verbosity compounds when it's prompting itself like hundreds of times a minute or something, right? Like so yeah, no shit. Major hardware problem with my server. There's no smarts to begin with. That's true. I mean, they are stochastic parrots, basically. People are being lazy. Tokens are expensive, but it's the fad. People rather pay unprepared developers and expect them to act as experienced devs with agents or coding assistants rather than understand how to be efficient. True. Yeah. Well, I mean, Nikita, I kind of agree on a little bit on the game assets because I have used AI generated imagery in projects before. But I'm realizing more and more that like it kind of robs you of like your individuality. Like when you see an AI, well, like if you see like a stupid AI generated like cartoon image, they all like, especially from like I think Chat GPT, they all have a very similar style, right? You know right away that this is like AI. I have a question. I'm really interested in your opinion. Does it ever happen to you that super simple things or basic concepts just slip your mind? Yes. Yo, who's this baddie on my screen? Hey, X Machine, what's up? Wow, there's a lot of discussion happening. Yeah, good old money. I don't know, man. I just like writing code. Where am I from? Canada. You're not allowed to like coding anymore. The AI. So stupid, man. Oh well, let's go write some code, I guess. Fuck it. As you are a senior developer, so your perspective is from that angle that you are confident with code you write. That's true. Very confident, actually. Maybe a little too confident. You know, I basically made all the UI design myself in Figma and then generated a ton of images for my army units and so on. I don't think I would be able to do that myself without an image gen. Well, this is the problem, right? You're kind of boxing yourself into what you can and can't do, Nikita. You probably can. They might not be very good sprites. Might not be very good assets. But it's a skill that you can get better at. This is what I don't like is this whole like AI is really good at reinforcing this idea that you can't do something. That freaks me the hell out. It's really, really good at reinforcing this idea that you can't do something. It's like, yes, you can. You can do it. You just might not be very good at it at first. And then once you're a little bit better, it becomes like a tool of human expression and not just the, sum total of everybody else's human expression. You don't need to be an expert at everything. If you want to utilize AI to do stuff, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, whatever. If you want to use AI generation in your game, like, go do it. But, like, don't sit here and say that you can't. You're perfectly capable of doing things. It's like when people say, oh, we can't even make software without AI anymore. And I'm like, dude, it's been like 2 years. It's not like it hasn't been like a century. Like, these people are fucking brain dead, man. Jeez. Like, what? I've never heard anyone say that. The CEO of Nvidia said that on stage at a conference. Probably the most key player in the AI space right now said that. I mean Jensen, yeah. Jensen is a hustler. We'll say that. Yeah, he's definitely biased. But still, it's just like insane what some people are saying. W cents though, 5 through 6 senses depending on the attunement. Yeah, depending on your role. Yeah, depending on your character's sheet roll, Anyways, so let's jump in the software and game dev category. I think I have my clip for today. Yeah, but the problem is, Dante, it's not intelligence. It's just a stochastic parrot. There's a big difference between intelligence. We don't even know how the human brain works. We don't even know like what it means to be intelligent, right? And yet somehow we're going to create intelligence. What we've created is a simulacra of intelligence. Probably should have been full screen for that. Whatever, it's fine. Jen, Kara, you're very cute. Keep it up. Thanks, Daniel. Thing AI is already quantum physics and already solves long-running math problem, which humans weren't able to. That's bullshit. Obviously, there's studies on the human brain. What is consciousness, Dante? What is consciousness? What's the definition? Hmm? Further enhance the loop has begun. Dog. LLMs do not have neurotransmitters, okay? They do not have neurotransmitters. They don't have neurons or dendrites or anything like that. It is a machine. It is a prediction machine. Like do you not know how embeddings work? Which are like the foundation of LLMs. This is the frustrating thing too about this whole debate is you can actually understand how LLMs work and you cannot have a conversation with somebody that doesn't. Because they are just convinced that because it looks and acts like a human in text form, that it is intelligent. That's another terrifying thing. Anyways, we were gonna jump in the software and game dev category and write some code because we can, because we're humans. Yeah, but now you're just Dante. Now you're just dancing around what I asked, right? There's no way you're gonna create AGI if you don't even know how like normal intelligence is like created in a human, right? If you don't know what consciousness is, which defines the root of like philosophically intelligent humans, right? Yeah, Johnson. I'm trying to get Emacs on the screen here. I might have to go make a cup of coffee. Good old coffee, nothing beats that. LLM is like a second pilot in an airplane? No. If you want a true analogy, an LLM is like an autopilot, which is kind of great, actually. It's actually a really good metaphor. Um, because if LLMs are the autopilot, you'd be damn sure that you would probably never get on a plane without a pilot, right? Interaction model. Bridgewater. Interacting with a Markov chain bot in IRC in the 90s was a great inoculation against LLMs. What do I think will happen when the AI bubble pops? Hopefully, cheap server hardware will flood the market. I really want to build a home lab. Actually, I would love to build a home lab so that I don't have to keep paying Apple to store my like VODs and videos and stuff. Like I can just store all my like clips and VODs and junk on that server, right? I could have my own little, I could have a VPN, I have a Samba server set up so all my computers can use the like network attached storage. That's what I really want. Well, that's what I want to happen when the AI bubble pops. Senses and consciousness. Plants have more senses and are connected through mushroom ecosystem. So plants have more senses. Yeah, but mushrooms aren't plants. They're fungi. Fungi is a completely different order. than the rest of the flora on the planet, right? You basically have mammals, plants, and fungi. Those are three different like kingdoms, like orders, right? We want to talk about zoology. So plants don't interact with fungi like that. Orcs are fungi and they're in WoW. Sug sug. Our drive price increase, especially knowing that drives in my server had better not die right now. Dude, I know. Everybody's being affected by the shortage. It seems like they're intentionally killing off the PC component market. The universe created the earth created all of you just said. All of what you just said. Yeah. And tell you why something is not possible. Did I say AI will tell me why something is not possible? I don't think I've ever had an AI refuse to do something unless it was like really far out there. Atoms connect us all. Oh, now you're tripping. Now you're on like psychedelics. We are all one consciousness. They hooked up an LLM to human brain tissue. Yes, and they had a mouse. They played Doom on a mouse's brain. Unless they actually like go ahead and just make a human, an artificial human, like it's probably just marketing bullshit. It's always marketing bullshit with these guys. Start discussing what we'll do once we finish all work. Yeah, that's also another thing that's like fucking ridiculous. Manual work, then you automate everything. Once you build a rocket, you're done. You won. You quit the game. What should we as humanity do when we are done? Good question. I'm sure it will not be feed and clothe and house everybody. I guarantee it will not be that. Right. Well, like what you're saying is, Dante, if based on what you've said here today, it would imply that humans can create artificial humans. I need a coffee chat room. Checkmate. We have artificial humans. Go watch any Elon or Zuckerberg interview. Yeah, billionaires aren't real people. Homunculus? I know what a homunculus is. I watched Full Metal Alchemist. Okie dokes. Alright, let's build this thing. Let's build this thing, yo. What? 1 plus 1 exists? Bro, you have not. I think you need to learn about, like, axioms. Mathematical, like logical axioms. I actually found they form the, like, basis for all, like, mathematics. Hey, Patrick. Uh, Perfect. Oddly, the Steins are on my Radiant. Okay. I'll promise to look into it later. How does that sound? Have I used Godot or Unity before? No. Actually, I guess I technically used a little bit of Unity. Just a little bit. Not a lot. I tried to mess around with it. What can I say? I just like writing a... Oh, right. We made the animation. I forgot that we made the animation. But it doesn't come back. Weird. Unless I, like, clear the cache. Oh, hey, Wind Up Boy. Yeah, sorry. I wasn't really doing a lot of coding. Hey, Retro. What's up? What's up? What's up? Thought the gaming was kind of interesting, kind of chill. Really? Oh, well, that makes me feel a little better about doing it then. Not much on summer vacation, so good time to speed up some my scheme test suites. Oh, fun. How am I? I'm good. I overslept again this morning. I need to go to the gym. I have to go to the gym after stream today so that I can sleep tonight, probably. Like, oh, you follow a bunch of EVE Online streams? Yeah, oh my god, you guys, we stayed up like so late playing WoW last night. Me and Kai, we finally did Dead Mines last night. Hey, Ball City. I was like this close to playing WoW again today on stream. Being a World of Warcraft streamer. Stream the two of us playing? Yeah, maybe. Oh my god. Poor girl. I was just like, she jumped off a ledge once. She's playing a hunter. Actually, she's got playing a hunter and I'm a druid with feline swiftness. So we both move at 30% increased speed because she has aspect of the cheetah. And we ran from Ashenvale to Ratchet in probably like 20 minutes. It was so fast. Hey Garav, what's up? It was so great. Think of the content. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll stream our. We're probably gonna play again tonight, so maybe I'll stream that. Hey Struck. Curious with the end goal and WoW. I've never played. The end goal is go raiding, basically. I had closure for the Brave and True last year, but I have done anything useful with it. Yeah, I think if you want to crash course into useful closure, you probably want to check out a book called Living Closure. What do I think about Scala Elixir? I don't know. I used to write Scala a long time ago. I didn't make anything in particular though. Elixir is okay. I read the like Elixir language book or whatever a long time ago. Some people raid, some people collect stuff, some people work on achievements. That's true. Surprised how similar its concurrency was to Go. Yeah, I would actually argue that Clojure's concurrency is a little more like with core async and stuff is like actually more flexible than Go's channels. Yeah, WoW was definitely fun last night. Although I literally didn't get a single thing. I need rolled on so many things in Deadmines and didn't get a damn thing. It's pretty frustrating, actually. But now I'm gonna be the tank because I feral charge. So MMORPGs are also for this thing called socializing. Yeah, I've never heard of socializing before. I don't know. No, yeah, it's fun. Serotonin buff. Gray tank day. Oh yeah, gray tank top day. Yo, Compt, what's up? How's the gym making? It's alright. Chat keeps bringing up World of Warcraft, and I'm like, oh, I kind of I miss gaming actually. It's okay. I'll game later today. This morning I started a hardcore Minecraft server too. Because now my favorite WoW streamers have been playing Minecraft, hardcore Minecraft. Doesn't end. Reading a book about Iraq, feeling like a scholar. Damn. See, a game has a little guy, which is like 80% of the battle when it comes to game. True. Well, I need to collect click events. I think I have click events actually. Let's have a look see. Print input. Easy. Oh, that's not how you spell print line. No? Um, the the fuck, bro? Oh, that's because I didn't actually fill out the update method. How embarrassing. Input components. GC handle. Input. Maybe I should do this outside the update method. Suppose that we could. Uh, handle input. I know. Nope, that's also wrong. You would think I know how my own game framework works. Oh, I was gonna get a cup of coffee and then I got distracted, didn't I? Bummer. Okay. Event queue. Is that what I called it? Or is it? Oh, it's input queue. Okay. Reading about modern Turkey next, maybe? V reset. Good old V reset. Nothing beats that. Nothing beats volatiles. Update. Is. Okay. Percentage. Love percentage. Get. Input components. ID. Oh, actually. Oh, well. Yeah. That should be fine. And then what else? What's next? Is it, I think it's world time and delta time. We don't have a world right now, so blank. Yeah, I think you're right, Nikita from YouTube. Please help, I can't stop yawning. Sorry, dissidents. I have the same problem. Okay, cool. Now we have an input component. We're not really getting input events, and that's because I did not do the thing. I'm not actually generating input events. Let's go grab my event code from the inhaler clicker. Oh, right. Yeah. We want touch controls? I don't think we need touch controls for this, do we? Pretty sure we don't need touch controls for this. Mouse down, blah, blah, blah. That's not right. V reset. Input queue, conj, input queue. I'm all about the volatiles now. Instead of the vars. Volatiles are where it's at. Or no, yeah, volatiles. Sorry. var and volatile. My brain is getting confused. Do I work out? I try to do some exercise. Yes. Mostly so I'll sleep well at night. That's it. I just like sleeping at night. Okay. Click, 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 click. Okay, we're getting click events and we have coordinates, so that's nice. Click true, click false. True, click false. So basically we need mouse down over the thing. Try to capture it. What touch controls? This is for a particular game jam that I don't think is going to have touch controls as a necessity. If I was putting on this on the World Wide Web, I would probably have touch controls. The World Wide Web. Free NAS core, you can get some used refurbished servers that will do a phenomenal job. Make sure you can get a new hard drive. Hey, thank you. Made my game look good on the Mac, but it looks pretty bad on mobile. Should have probably designed it mobile first. Oh, okay, a side project. It's for Game Jam. And so Dante, this code will basically run in somebody else's website for the Game Jam. Old i7 for my server with 4 12-terabyte hard drives. Oh gosh. 4 12-terabyte hard drives? You could probably sell those for like $1 billion now. It was the old days when it was still possible to buy new general purpose computers at low cost. Me too. Hmm. Average piece of software like barely fucking works anymore now. Super frustrating. Hey, Nani. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's a cup of coffee time, everyone. So I'm gonna go make that right now. Mm. I'll be back in a minute. Behave yourselves. Yo. Okay, so we have click events. That's good. And now we just need to figure out. I guess do need to create a world and figure out where those world coordinates are up in this piece. Ah. Yeah, I really want to try making go back to like making a tool that generates like the bare bones of a game project for me because I feel like my game projects basically all have the same shit. Me 50 lines of Go for the back end and about the same in Godot. What? Hi shrimp. This is exactly what I did. Reading things again and again, and I'm making a tool. Mm-hmm. Hello, stop using AI. That's a name. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Good morning. Top of the morning to yeah. Hang on, I also got some cookies with my coffee because I have no self control. Maybe non-stop using AI was taken, so this is the shortened version. Little treats. I saw your message. Sorry. I was enjoying said little treat. Oh, more about other people's little treats. I have a third cookie here. Feels particularly indulgent, especially since they're kind of fatty. They're made with coconut. And I'm gonna have avocado and a very oily dinner tonight. I'm gonna have avocado for lunch. Very oily dinner tonight. Hmm. That doesn't work. Gotta have an @ symbol there, bro. This also means that I need to do some shenanigans. I usually do this. Remember. Right. Right. Okay. Thread. Actually, I don't even know if we need con thread right now. Player. Array map. Yes. Here. This. Okay. It's better. What's this complaining about? Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. First time here, what's the project? Do we have a microJAM command? Oh, we do. Yeah, we're making a mini micro game for this game jam. Yo, Retro, don't do that. Sleep is important. QT? Oh, I probably want a quad tree. Probably gotta have that. Quad tree CLJC is not available? Really? Didn't I copy this from... It's right there. Well, maybe I need to rebuild because Quadtree is a CLJC app library. Maybe. Oh shit, we got raided. I didn't even notice. Yo, Gaia Como, what's up? How is um fuck, what's that language called? God, I keep forgetting things. I keep forgetting things more and more. Gleam. Yeah, Gleam. Jeez. I remembered eventually. Oh, wait. What am I doing? It's Quadtree dash CL. Just, yeah, there we go. .core. Duh. Hi, welcome, Raiders. My name is Janet. I'm a software developer obsessed with Clojure. Having fun with compiler on stream. Gotta run a polished session lesson. Oh, okay. Thanks. Well, thanks for the raid. Hello, welcome, Raiders. Hope you're having a good day. We are making a game jam game. Making a game for a game jam, a micro game. It's pretty cool. Oh, Lewis. Hey, what's up? You're the Gleam guy. The Gleam person? Should say. microJAM? What is this, Miss Jane? It's Clonk's game jam. Clonk, the L:Q, the really cool streamer that everybody knows and loves. L:Q. Jack does all the cool stuff. I just triage issues and do paperwork. Damn. Closure Apple below the stream is so cool. Oh yeah. Sometimes I forget that I put that there. Am I gonna join the Clonk sesh this afternoon? What do you mean? What is it? Wind up, boy. Oh, like am I gonna be in his stream? Maybe. Although I might get wrapped up playing some video games. TBH. Video games. But yeah, if you're curious about Clojure, you can go experiment with it. If you scroll down into my profile panels. Hang on, I'm gonna wash my hands. I think I have like coconut oil on them. I like Gleam's logo, cute little star. It is cute. All right. Cool. So, uh, nope. Oh, what? I closed the process by mistake. Excuse me. Okie dokes. Now we're back. Clicking, clicking. I need like a way to cover like area. Basically just implementing a paintbrush here. Oh, thanks, Super Poverty Man. I hope you have a great day too. Wait, you guys, should I be looking at the camera when I speak? Because often I don't. Have a great day. Well then like if I look at the camera, I see myself looking in the camera and I see the imperfection of my face. I don't want to see it. Okay, great. You know, Patrick, I thought about trying to get a license for OS2 COBOL, like for free, flexing my developer influence, I guess. A personal license for OS2 COBOL costs like 10 grand. It's kind of crazy. It does come with an OS2 emulator. Oh right, I think the problem is that the OS2 emulator only runs on x86. I mean, a lot of money as the systems guy for OS2 sites. Close to my jam. Oh damn, we got some ZOS. Oh wait, not OS2. What am I thinking of? OS2 is the IBM like thing. I'm thinking of ZOS. Yeah, COBOL for ZOS costs like personal license costs like 10 grand. OS2. That's the bastardized Windows thingy. IBM Enterprise COBOL for ZOS. Purchased now. How did I figure out the pricing? Oh, here it is. Pricing. Yeah, they give you a bunch of marketing bullshit. I feel like they changed their shit. Wow, their ZOS shop online is called Shop Z. Very, very imaginative. Hey, crazy squirrel, what's up? They used to offer learning lessons for a few bucks. Now they stop. You pretty much have to get individual pricing. That's crazy. Event sourcing seems like a very scary pattern. Like you need to support all the event types from the past. For most cases, I think you'll be better off with just audit logs. Canada? Hmm. Wait, what? Why do they keep saying I'm from Mauritius? Yeah, it's super hard to find. Where did I find the shit for personal licenses? I know I found this once before. So that's ZDT. Weird rules. Oh. Well, now I'm just getting distracted, so this is fun. Wow, they're like kind of dog shit at building funnels, marketing funnels. Like learn how to buy it. Go to a support place to figure out how to buy this thing. Unity game dev, thinking about doing game dev streaming. How did you start streaming? Do you have any advice for a beginner? Yeah. Well, my go-to advice used to be like if you were going to stream on Twitch, don't turn on monetization, but I think it's on by default now for a lot of people. Um no, it's fine. Dogs don't bite. You can I would also say stream with what you have. A lot of people they want to buy like fancy equipment to stream and then they're going to stream to like 5 people. Not even 5 people, like 0 people. I think it's like 95% of Twitch or 99 or something like that are people with like 0 viewers. And then yeah, like if you have an existing audience, that's pretty helpful to lean into. Do it every day for 2 months straight. That's what I did. Every single day. That I'll breathe into the microphone, that authentic streamer feel. My noise gate capture that? No, it didn't. 95% of less than 3, I believe. Oh, I see. Oh, like less than 3? Less than 3? That less than 3? I used to have a girlfriend a long time ago, and we used to say it was something dumb like, "Oh, like love is like less than 3." Yeah, cheesy, cheesy shit. It's like me when I was getting into woodworking. I bought the most advanced tools to make my first crappy workbench out of 2x4s. Yes, that's funny. But did you actually get to use the like what is it, the Dremel, make the like edges kind of like curved or whatever? The not It's not a Dremel. What is it? I watched some woodworkers on YouTube before. Uh Prettiest ugly workbench. Yeah, nice. A router. Yes, that's it. Yeah, router. So switch monetization off on Twitch and keep up with schedule. Yeah. Oh, and make sure you listen to your own stream. I find that a lot of new developers, or not new developers, new streamers, they don't ever listen to their own stream, so they have no idea what the volume is like. Don't turn on follower only chat. Follower and subscriber only chat is for people with thousands of viewers. Okay. Do not ever turn those on. That's a great way to screw yourself, especially if you ever get like raided. Man, tools are a money sink. Yeah, they can be a money sink for sure. Secretly, TDLDR is on NetBSD for some ignoramus reason. Wait, why are we yapping about NetBSD? Which BSD project shut down? I think it was Dragonfly BSD, wasn't it? Maybe I should go back to being an OpenBSD user. OpenBSD does run on ARM64. I remember I put OpenBSD on a computer once and I used that for a while. I managed to install XFCE4 as a desktop environment. But I really just don't like package management in BSD. Because you have to use like PKG add and stuff. I just like really didn't like the package management. I kind of like the repository, like central repository model. Hello, Al. Right, it's neither Docker nor ZFS. Yeah, I feel like OpenBSD. I feel like FreeBSD is probably a better choice, honestly. Just like OpenBSD will run on like every toaster on the planet. Okay, let's see here. ARM64. So FreeBSD runs on ARM64. Oh, it runs on things like the RockPi and stuff. That's amazing. If FreeBSD runs on the RockPi, that means it would absolutely work on the MNT reform. Well, actually, one time, so one of my professors gave me a Spark computer, like an Ultra Spark 2 or something, which was pretty cool. It was a really cool thing. And we were like, oh, we're going to put OpenBSD on it because it's like the only thing that will run on it. And he was also like, oh, I have OpenBSD books if you want. You can have this one. Like hell yeah, I still have that OpenBSD book. I think it was whatever the No Starch Press one is. Absolute OpenBSD. And he also gave us a book on PF. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Still have about 5 silicon graphics machines. Dude, are you gonna make your own Jurassic Park? I kind of miss just messing around with computers, you know? Just messing around like that. I just wish I had more space. This is pretty cool though. OpenBSD on or FreeBSD, I mean. I mean FreeBSD is cool. If I fill my apartment with a connection machine, you'll know either Skynet is imminent or finally I've taken that trip around the bend. Yo, how many Toronto peeps are in my chat? Wind Up Boy is one. MNT 64-bit? Yeah, I think so. Travago Teeth. Yo, what the fuck? That's so funny. Travago Teeth. Dude, okay, so I know exactly what you're talking about. That's so funny. So Travago Teeth. We kept seeing in Portugal, we kept seeing this commercial on TV. And it was the Travago like guy with the teeth, right? But they used like AI to like artificially dub the commercial. Yeah, and so we just kept seeing like speak like ridiculous, like he was just speaking like flawless robotic Portuguese, and then he would just be like Travago with a smile. So now every time we see the commercial here in North America, we laugh our asses off. Seriously, you gotta look up the Portuguese version of that commercial. It's gonna blow your mind. Hate this kind of use of AI. And like they obviously used AI to generate more commercials because there's another commercial where they're like the guys are buried in the sand, right? And they're talking, but they obviously like chose that setting because it's like AI generated, right? So they don't have to take the risk of like having the AI generate weird body motion or whatever if they're just heads in the sand, right? Yeah, it's crazy. It's wild. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted again. I got distraction chicken here. Yeah, I really want to get into inline skating again. I didn't get out at all last summer. But now there's like a little resurgence happening. There's a renaissance happening in the city. There's like an inline skating club and they meet up every Thursday. Like, I kind of want to get back into it. I need to get some hard wheels though. Yo, T2, what's up? That's the second raid today. Welcome. We were just talking about actually BSD, not Linux. We were talking about BSD, the elephant in the operating system room. I hope you had a good stream. Welcome Raiders. How's everybody doing? We're also talking about inline skating. Basically, last time I skated, I was working on my stops. But I have gel wheels. I have shitty skates right now. They have gel wheels on them. I need like hard plastic wheels so I can stop. Yes, good stream. Awesome. Was 15 like 15 years ago? Yeah, well, there's never a better time to get into it now. Although I think I'm gonna buy some really baggy pants and then get some knee pads because I'm suddenly concerned about my knees. But stream good progress despite never getting any mainstream news. Yeah, I feel like you could do like how do you even like engineer like mainstream stuff? Do you ever post on Hacker News T2? You could post on like Hacker News or Lobsters and then have your little like viewer minions upvote it. JK, I love you guys. Not minions. Except falling now is not as easy as falling 15 years ago. True. Got the skate. You know what? Maybe I should not do the bike and I should just go for a skate this afternoon. Go skate down to whatever that. There's a new skate shop in the Stacked Market, but I just don't remember. Solo inline. That's what it's called. Solo inline. Go skate down there. Get some wheels. Although I feel like if I go there to buy wheels, I'm gonna leave with totally new pair of skates. I can't really afford new skates right now, chat room. I need to pay for things like blonde hair and laser hair removal. That's why my wife who never learned to ride a bike is too afraid to learn now. Oh no. Riding a bike is like terrific. I suppose it could be definitely scary. They don't exactly make training wheels for adults. So, study what draws human attention, subconscious and conscious, admire world, blah, blah. Yeah. Okay. I don't know, Dante. You're being a little conspiratorial in chat right now. We bought some a couple of years ago. I was riding around. She wanted to learn to join me. She never got past the grass. I suppose, like, yeah, because you have that, when you ride a bike, you have that muscle memory for, like, you need you need to go fast enough so that like the centripetal force of the wheels keep you upright. That's kind of like a really hard like muscle memory to learn at first. That's why they say like when you learn to ride a bike, you never forget, because it's like you probably fell down learning that principle a lot of times, so your brain associates going slow with falling, right? But as they say, it's like riding a bike. Yeah, exactly. Didn't learn to ride a bike until I was 35. I actually love riding my bike. I haven't used it in forever. It's just folded up in this closet behind me. I was thinking about getting rid of it actually and just trying to use city bikes if I have to go anywheres. But then I probably want to use like Clorox wipes to sanitize the city bikes because they look kind of gross. I don't know. But I don't really have room for a bike anymore. Like if I got rid of my bike, I could store so much crap in that closet. I rode a bike all over the place and I spent all summer riding it out. It was fun. Then I got a car and I was like, screw that. See, like I was after stream, I was gonna go to the fitness room and ride the exercise bike. But now I kinda wanna go skate. I just don't know where to skate. I'm in like the heart of downtown. So everywhere seems terrifying to go skating because of like traffic and stuff, right? What's the word mean? Conspiratorial? Like to create conspiracy? That's not the same. I went for a walk outside where it was nice. Yeah, I miss skating. It's been a while. I might have to wear a helmet though. Yeah, inline skates have gotten incredibly niche too. They're like basically inline skates pretty much only pander to people that have been doing it for a while now. I basically have these shitty like purple beginner skates. Oh yeah, maybe I'll go buy some baggy pants. I'm meaning to buy some baggy pants and then I can get like knee pads to put under the baggy pants. So I still look cool. Oh, cool. This skate shop sells like backpacks designed for carrying skates and stuff. So cool. It's okay, Dante. You've just been kind of dominating the YouTube chat. Just want to make sure there's enough air, metaphorical air, for people to say stuff. What? Yeah. Wow, she was selected for jury duty. She's so excited. What, for the like King's Bench? NB Court of the King's Bench. It honestly, it's kind of an event because like things don't happen in New Brunswick. So if you get selected for jury duty at like the King's Bench, it's like a big deal. If you've ever gone through the court system, most things don't ever get to a real trial. Basically, you've like the and we don't even have a bail system like the United States. The bail system is entirely comes down to whether or not the judge thinks you're likely to reoffend when you're out on the street. That's it. That's basically the whole bail system. So, yeah. And then some people enter pleas and change all this stuff. But yeah, it's like very rare that like especially in New Brunswick that a serious crime gets tried in court. Generally look up and follow Alex Hormozy and Dan Martell. Right, I chill, court system, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you know what's weird is I actually follow Alex's wife. What's her name? Is it Leah? Layla? What's her name? But I feel like the advice they give is like kind of no, they're like very successful entrepreneurs, so I feel like the advice they give is not doesn't really apply to like small time people. All these knee pads look insane. Yeah, Layla. Layla. Oh, that's right. Shit. I have an appointment this afternoon. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh man, I really screwed up. Fuck. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to move that appointment because I didn't shave last night. Fuck. Oh, sakes. God damn it. Well, that sucks. Fuck. Oh, I'm so upset. I'm such a dummy. Maybe I'll call them in the upcoming ad break. Actually, let's see. Write a reminder app. Well, they sent me a reminder, and then I played World of Warcraft late into the night like a dummy. Uh, yeah. So I guess that was my fault. Mm. Write a reminder app. It's such like a programmer thing to do. It's like I want to start a blog, so I'm gonna write a whole CMS first. A reminder app in World of Warcraft. It's not a bad idea. Have a little to-do list inside of World of Warcraft. Can write it in Lisp. I'm gonna make a game. I'm gonna write the engine. Yeah, exactly. There we go. Hopefully they let me move the appointment because now I feel stupid. Hi, what programming language are you using? It's ClojureScript. ClojureScript. Yeah, now I'm just looking at inline skates. I can't help it. I really want to go to inline skating. Why did I have to make an appointment today? I'm such a bozo. Hopefully it'll be fine. They may even charge me, which sucks. Hmm. To-do list mod in Factorio? Do I only play WoW or would I also play Factorio on stream? I don't know. I probably play whatever game I like on stream. Oh, I meant to shower last night. I'm such a bozo. Chat room. I'm just waiting for the ad to start. I'm just gonna mute myself and call the place. God, my laser tech is so great. Oh, crisis averted, chat room. Now I can go skating. Go skating and shave my legs. Okay, now that we're back, we're ready, and I don't have to worry. But I do have to shave tonight. Cause they moved the appointment to tomorrow. Hmm. Surely coding will start soon. We already wrote some code. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. We already wrote some code today. Maybe instead of yeah, I kind of want to do. I kind of want to go cycling. Cope. Wow, thanks for that thing. Yeah, yeah, yep, yep. It's fine. Whatever. I'm not mad about it. Hey, Pitari. How do you do? Okay, so we need to see if our little click coordinates collide with the world. That their old world. You know? You know what I'm saying? Not me? Know what I'm saying? Let's see here. We have X and Y. Why don't we just give our let's give our entity a little X and Y. X, Y, and height. Height and width for now. Width and height. Typical 2D coordinates. It's no big deal. Relatively straightforward coordinates. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, exactly. Do you know what I am saying? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 100% agree. Okay, look, I'm opening up the player entity. This is the player entity. Entity. What language is this? Looks like Lisp. Yep. 100%. 100%. We don't need all this stuff. Nope, nope, nope. Boom, boom, boom. No viewport. That doesn't even make sense. Okay, amazing. Oh, we definitely want ID. Freeze frame? No. He's out. X and Y. No. That'll just get passed in. X, X, Y. Mm-hmm. Okay. Boom. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. I am new here. What's going on? It's true. What is going on? I don't know. Apparently we're coding. Old school. How do people do that? How do people be like coding and stuff? I don't know. Strange. Strange world this codeliodes is. What did I call that actually? Player physics. Good old physics. Nothing beats that. Boom. Okay. So we got 120. You know what I'm saying? No, 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 nah, 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 nah. This is 120. Starting out. Okay. You know what I'm saying? 80. Width 32. Height 32. Except I made a mistake down here. Wait, gotta cut the hedges till the weather is fine. See you next stream. All right, uploader. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. We really appreciate it, like, so much. Okay, so now I got huh. We gotta get physics up in this piece. Obviously. Obviously, let me tweak the renderer a little bit here. Yeah, my laser tech is pretty great. So my appointment was for laser hair removal, which is why I needed to shave beforehand. But I've been seeing my laser tech for like basically since I moved to Toronto for 8 years. This weekend is a big weekend. Comic convention happens. It's gonna be a fun time. Oh wait, is it the Anna Maritimes or whatever? Is that happening? Okay, so we got X and Y, homie. Gotta have X and Y. Okay, we'll get rid of that. Boom. Gone. No, not gone. Bad gone. There we go. Okay, we have a bunch of shit in here that we don't need from the other project, the other clicker project. Okay. All good? No problems? Oh, big problems. Why did it do that? I suppose this is what happens when you do stuff. Appointment for what? Laser hair removal? Laser beams shooting into my skin and killing hair follicles? Pew pew. I am beautiful. Yeah, I know. It's not easy being this good looking all the time though. What could possibly go wrong with that? What, laser hair removal? Yeah, you might get a little burned maybe. Laser beams. I've been getting laser hair removal for like a long ass time. I've had a lot of laser hair removal. Are you natural? No. Not even close. I am actually pretty fucking far from natural, so uh I would say if there's any like girl streaming right now, streaming coding, I'm probably the least natural that it gets. You're loving the blonde hair era? I know, doesn't it look so good, Wind Up Boy? I mean, look at this. It's I haven't watched it in a few days, so it's very textured. But yeah, it's got a lot of it's so good. I just love it so much. Sometimes I see my old hair in like clips or something. I'm like, oh, I miss it. But then I see my blonde hair. I'm like, I'm so aligned. Like I'm so aligned. Why are we in the corner here? Oh, I know why. I know why. Maybe? Do I know why? If one thing I need to do is I made the game world way too big. 240 by 160. It's a pretty small game world. Okay, great. Browser scheme. It's closure script actually. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, I don't yeah, it looks like the coordinates are actually nil or 0, 0. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. Never done any myself, but I kind of like how it looks. Lisp is fun, yo. Lisp is super fun. Would win one developer or one parentheses. Ooh, that's a tough one. How long you been a dev? A long time. Well, I have like 10 years of professional developer experience, and I started coding like 20 years ago when I was like a kid. I'm guessing X and Y here are like nil or something, for whatever reason. Yeah, 0, 0. Why? Why are they 0? Hmm? Physics. Oh, wait. Am I not passing in the physics? Ah, yeah, I wasn't. Duh. It might help if I actually use the correct physics component for this entity. For this entity. Big ol' entity. Now we're happy. Now we're happy. Why don't I use a debugger? Well, there's not really a good amount of there's not really good ClojureScript debuggers, if I'm being honest. And I really don't like the browser debugger because it's a transpiled language from ClojureScript to JavaScript or ECMAScript, whatever you want to say. There's not really a great way to like step through things. Believe me, when it comes to regular Clojure code, not ClojureScript, I use Cider Debugger like every single day. Every single day. So I don't know. I guess Flowstorm is a thing. I've never really used Flowstorm. That's apparently a Clojure and ClojureScript debugger. Oh, looks like they have a Flowstorm debugger for Emacs. Maybe I should try it. Although I don't know what version of Cider I have right now. Yeah, maybe I should just try Flowstorm. The Flowstorm guy who made Flowstorm used to like watch the stream. Dark side functional programming. Maybe I'll try it actually, because I do like using a debugger a lot. A lot, a lot. Bigly. Okay, so we got graphics. We got our whole like basic ass game loop here. Means we can go back to working on the mechanics. Mechanics. Now I have to use the bathroom. Hopefully I don't have anything scheduled tomorrow. That would be really embarrassing if I scheduled something when I rescheduled. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, how do I deal with neck pain? Asking for a friend. Painkillers. Hey, Viking. Welcome. How are you? Good. Awesome. And the house? I don't think I've asked about the house in a couple days. You know what we could do, chat room? Uh, I just realized. Pond thread, player, uh, keys, click, X and Y. When click, set, no merge, obviously gonna merge, bro. X, Y. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. I feel like I had this problem before. Oh wait, yeah, hang on. Oh shit, okay. Uh, get rid of that. Bring this back. Because we get click coordinates for the entire screen, not just the viewport. Hmm. This one I will ask AI about. XCGS 7. Click events. Teach us while you work, please. I'm having to look all this up. Yeah, well, I'm just trying to get the click coordinates right now. You worry about your FPS with CLGS? Not really. I control the FPS. I just need container coordinates. Specifically, the scene. Just give me like a fucking novel here on how to click shit. So annoying. Get local position? At some point, I'm just gonna switch to WebGL. I don't know if I like Pixie.js. I like its Sprite API and stuff, but a bunch of other stuff is kind of really annoying. Like getting click events, you have to actually create an event. Like if I want to get click events, it's not as simple as like this, right? It has to be. I guess I could do like application, right? If I do like, I have to be like set on. No, that's a method. See it, fucking JavaScript, man. App dot on. I mean, I should use dot dot app on. I don't know. We have like event, basically. I mean, it's not too different, really. Hey, Passion Brains on YouTube. Do you code or have coded at OpenGL? Not really. I mean, like a tiny bit of WebGL in the past. Okay, I will steal this little bit of code that the LLM generated to see. Can I get mouse down, mouse up stuff? Event types? Oh, great. I want the app scene be succinct. Oh, you're heading back to Kenya, Viking? On the 24th? Oh, dude, I think I'm gonna be on the front page of Twitch, like, right before you leave. Oh, no, wait, it's the 24th, so I don't know if you'll catch it. Catch the big stream. Event mode static? This seems sus. I really gotta, like, learn how to do more WebGL, I think. Okay. Good old WebGL. Nothing beats that. Nothing beats that. Hopefully this works. Get local position? Ugh. Gross. Not infer target type. Okay, it should still work though. Okay. It's moving. What's happening? Okay. Now what? Invalid token? That's odd. Okay. Skill of fuck. Not trolling, but do you find a lot of demand for closure freelancing and enterprise? Just looking at your website. Well, it still pays my bills, so yes, actually. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, I also need I need a trunk to integer. It's driving me crazy. Stupid half pixels. Just ignore that. I need to add it to the externs. It's still, why is it still passing? Oh, partial. It's weird. Hmm. Is your work or hobby? Technically, I guess this is a side project because, um, oh wait. What the fuck is going on here? This is a side project because, it's for a game jam. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Oh, well, this is kind of annoying. There's something happening. I'm guessing there's a problem in my render function. No, it just keeps going back to 120 for some reason. But why? Oh, that's why. Fuck. Or not? Okay, so we have player, when click, will merge, then it should become current. It's not really moving the game forward though. Because the previous frame is still 120 for some reason. Which is why he was moving back and forth. feel like I forgot something here. Yeah, wait, this is sus. Why is this, like, weird? On thread, layer. Yeah, lovely. This, oh, I know why. Not actually mutating the current frame. That's why. No? Oh, okay. That's weird. Why does it move when I actually click the thing, but not? Maybe because it's a container? I'm guessing because it's a container. Not actually a thing. Maybe I just need to get events for the actual canvas instead. Why can we get click events for the canvas element? Use view.app. Oh, interesting. Okay. We have to do the offset. How annoying. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, let's try this. Oh. Is it view? It should be PixieJS 7. I don't know why it's complaining. It is view, isn't it? Okay, inspect. Uh, oh, it's kind of working. Like all over the place though. Oh my god. If I click outside the area, it goes like way far away. A way to get pointer coordinates. Yo, Kathy and Judy for the sub. 5 months on month 5. Oh, this is getting kind of in the weeds. Pointer move gives you live coordination, same as Dom approach. Okie dokes. Yeah, boom. Pointer move. I'm gonna have to create an event, actually. Motion equals move. Basically click without click being true. I might have to remove the mouse down event, actually. There, let's try this, actually. Yeah, okay, amazing. Thank you, Emacs. Move. Record the player moving. And then... Whoa! Okay, so that works. That's good. This is just temporary. We're not going to actually move the player around like this. It's weird. Look at it. It's kind of weird because it's actually not proportional to... Oh, right. Wait. I forgot. I made the canvas. I actually did not make the canvas 240 by 140. It's 480 by 320. I forgot about that. Bruh, please. Emacs. What are you doing? The fuck is going on with this? Okay, we still have that problem. Why? Yeah, it's scaled somewhere. Hmm. Well, we can go check that entity, I guess. What the fuck is going on with this? I'm like holding MF to move forward a word, and then it's like fucking trying to open a minor mode for some reason. What the fuck? Yeah, I see the scale set to 2x. Well, that, but yeah, like, look, it's still doing the same thing, right? I think it might be because of the offset X, offset Y values in the event listener, maybe. Catches their CSS pixels, the displayed size of the canvas back in the store is a different resolution than its displayed size, or any CSS scaling that CSS won't equal the PixieJS's internal coordinates. Youth scale. Okay. Interesting. Weird. Okay. Hey now. Tree sitter going nuts. I don't know what the hell was going on. Like I was holding like whatever this button is. Is it S? And it's not meta, is it? Yeah. Like option maybe, I guess. Wait a second. Where the fuck did my shit go? Oh, this is the wrong thing. Wrong play state. Like I was holding option and trying to do this where I jump forward a word, right? But for some reason it just kept opening something. I don't know what it was. It was starting to really piss me off. Function to translate. To take a canvas view and translate the coordinates to Pixie.js land. Wait a sec, what the fuck? Are you winning, son? Hey, boo. Hope your day's going well. Thanks, peoples. Yeah, I'm kind of getting into the coding now. I'm just like going for it. Hmm. I love that it wrote doc string. That's pretty funny. I feel like I don't usually see. Why are we passing event? Oh, right. We need to pass the event obby. Oh, wait. What did I just do? God. I've noticed that I'm actually having more trouble typing lately, which kind of freaks me out. Like I make a lot of mistakes when I type for some reason now. Definitely a relatively recent development. Recall's monstrous. Your brain is so optimized. They scientifically prove coding and programming and developing trains your brain unbelievably fast. Uh, okay. So did the clanker's function work? That's the real question here. It sure did. Probably would have taken me a while to figure out that the coordinates were mismatching. Well, I knew something was up, but there, that actually works. Now we know our click coordinates are correct. Find it surprising how quick I am? Like, quick with programming or what? Well, I'll be honest, I had the fucking clanker generate this function. Yeah. Mostly because I don't know the entirety of the Pixie.js API. Apparently neither does Claude because it keeps getting shit wrong. And then I figure out the gaps. Okay, so we've got... Look at that. It's a nice frame rate too. And smooth. Does it translate on OBS very well? Okay, yeah. Good, okay. This is pretty good. It might make more sense to have the actual sprite have these kind of mouse over coordinates though. Since we'll be like doing this motion a lot, like shining. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Although I could probably just use my collision detection on the mouse pointer. It's kind of cool. Don't you agree, chat room? Okay. Well, I like it. I like this. I like the... So now I could actually go back and go to the player. And instead of setting the coordinates to the mouse coordinates, what we can do is find the intersections. Uh, we should have the world here now, right? Or was it retrieve point maybe? I don't even remember the API for my own library. What kind of apps do I usually build with Clojure? Like those, like Are those backends client-side code or something? Yeah, basically full stack apps. Insert all, retrieve intersections. Here. Pretty sure there's retrieve. Should be able to do retrieve intersections. Why did I write retrieve intersections there? Qt, retrieve intersections. Did I not spell it correctly? World. And then guess X, Y. I'll just be like merge input with 0, 8, 0. And that's not how you spell merge. Okay. Oh, I don't have, okay, that's why it didn't come up. I was like, why isn't it coming up? Quad tree, cljc.core, it's qt, qt 3.14. Okay, cool, merge input, yep. Intersections. Sections. Filter V. Layer type. First. Okay. Clicked player. And then what? I don't know. Just gonna change this to false right now. When clicked player, print line, shine. And it didn't work. For type null, really? Okay, retrieve intersection. Okay. Still didn't like that. Okay. Do I even use point in this? Oh yeah, I do, okay. Oh, retrieve points. That's what I wanted, not fucking... Like, wait a second. I'm pretty sure there's something here. Where does this null value? Oh, probably. Okay, I know why. No gameplay programming. It still crashed. Why? Mm. Oh, fuck. I'm so dumb sometimes. This is still a retrieve point problem, though. Retrieve points. Retrieve points. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. What does print? What does it say? What does it say? False. Okay. What you did now? For some reason, it seems that I'm passing nil somewhere where I should not be. I'm trying to figure out where though. I'm guarding against passing nil right here, but we still pass nil apparently on like the third frame. Hey Rozark, what's up? Nikita, do I like Haskell? Yes. I'm good. Well, odd, okay. Why does it? Nothing gets past nil, so it's kind of weird. Be nice if I could see more stack trace here. Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay, hang on. Just to retrieve intersections. See if that works. Give it a width and height of 1. Still, for some reason I'm still passing null. There's no way I can be passing null here now for this object. Doesn't make sense. Hey Patrick on YouTube. What the fuck? Oh. Usually this only happens if there's nil. Maybe I'm not passing the world into the thing properly. I should be. Huh, that's exactly it. Fuck me. So dumb. All the like things I do to get a little thing working. And it turns out that's what the bug is. Eh, no? Hmm. Oh, fuck's sakes. Come on, man. No, of course. Okay. Nope. Anything at all. Okay. Getting anything at all? Nope. Nothing. Why? Where are the player coordinates? Oh, that's interesting. I think I used the wrong thing, actually. Still nil. Oh, wait. I was seeing the word shine. I think that worked, actually. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Right, because of the mouse over. Right. Okay. Okay. I see the word shine and showing up in uh console, so that's good. That means our paintbrush mechanic is coming along. Or sorry, our shine mechanic. Paintbrush mechanic. Oh, goodness, that felt good. Cool. So now I need like a way to figure out has the like coordinates. I think I know how I'm gonna do this, but basically I need to figure out how much of the entity has been like, I guess, moused over, which is interesting. I feel like maybe I could use like a second quad tree to do that. God, it's almost lunchtime. I mean, it is lunchtime. It's almost 1 o'clock. Yeah, because if I use a second, because the retrieve intersection doesn't necessarily tell me where the player entity was clicked. I mean, the quad tree might be the wrong thing for this entirely. Actually, I might just have to put an event listener on the sprite that's currently on screen, and then send those coordinates to the like update frame and be like, oh yes, this part has been covered. But I don't want to do it per pixel though, because per pixel would be impossible, right? Like if the player misses a single pixel, it won't work. So we really basically just creating a paintbrush tool here and then turning it into a game. Explain the problem. Well, there's not really any problem. The problem is that I'm trying to think of how to program covering like the surface of a player, because like the game idea is supposed to be that you just click and do this over the thing to make it. Maybe that could be the difficulty curve actually, because the lower the difficulty, the bigger the like the player's mouse pointer is for shining the object. If the difficulty curve is higher, it could be like pretty small. You gotta like really get in there. The circles. Oh. But yeah, this was fun. I kind of want to get kind of want to go eat lunch. So we should raid somebody. Who do we want to raid? Any suggestions? Twitch chat room? Maybe Lana, since she's just came back. We raided Jackie recently. So I barely get it, but sounds like it relates to the way when a player gets on a different moving object in a game is on a different dimension or plane. Not really. It's just like seeing if the one box is colliding with another and then how much it's colliding with the other player. Christoph? Oh, it's too late. I chose Lana. Alright, peace out, everybody. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, wonderful day. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.